Okay. Good morning. I'd like to welcome everyone to our electronic special council meeting on October the 12th, 2021. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Regional Council is practicing physical distancing. Councillor Jowett and I are present in the chamber. The purpose of this meeting is to deal with a procedural bylaw amendment. I would now ask the clerk to do a roll call.
Thanks, Chair. Chair Redman.
Present.
Councillor Armstrong. Councillor Clark.
Present.
Councillor Erb.
Present.
Councillor Foxton. Okay, Councillor Galloway. Councillor Harris. Councillor Jaworski.
Here.
Councillor Jowett.
Here.
Councillor Kiefer.
Here.
Councillor McGarry. Councillor Nowak.
Present.
Councillor Shantz.
Present.
Councillor Strickland.
Here.
Councillor Rubanovic.
Je suis ici.
And Councillor Foxton.
Present.
And we had regrets from Councillor Lorenz.
Thank you, Will. And I would just note that Councillor Armstrong did indicate that he would be joining us late, but he will be here. I'd like to acknowledge that the land on which we gather virtually today is the traditional territory of the Haudenosaunee, the Anishinaabe, and the Neutral people. We acknowledge the enduring presence of the Indigenous people with whom we share this land today, their achievements, and their contributions to our community. What I have learned from First Nations people is that our relationship with the land should be one of stewardship rather than ownership, and I am proud to walk with them. Are there any declarations of pecuniary interest under the Municipal Conflict of Interest Act? Seeing none, I'm going to move on to the report, which is continuing electronic council meetings. You have received it for information. Are there any questions? Seeing none, it's received for information, and I would entertain a motion to enact the bylaws first, second, and third readings. If I could have a mover, moved by Councillor Kiefer, seconded by Councillor Shantz. Please use your icons to vote yes or no. And you're voting on a bylaw amendment, excuse me, 00-031 as amended, being the region's bylaw governing and proceedings of council and committee. That is carried, colleagues. Thank you. I would now ask for a motion to go into closed. If I could have a mover and a seconder. Moved by Councillor Rubanovic, seconded by Councillor Harris. Please use your icons to vote in support of or against going into closed. That is carried, colleagues.